In today's lesson, we'll see how a dictionary is passed as an argument. We'll talk about that. Before this, we have passed list as an argument. We have passed keyword, multiple keywords, arbitrary arguments as default arguments. This is the last that is relevant to the function topic, how we pass a dictionary in an argument. We'll do its runtime example and see how we are supposed to pass it. We have defined a dictionary and key. Our first key in it is A and its value is 1. Value of B key is 2. C key's value is 3. In the function that is defined in its call, we have passed the dictionary, and when that dictionary will receive a parameter, if we print it as it is here, so what will it show? It printed our dictionary as it is. If we want to access the value key-wise, we have already looked at its method, that how a value is accessed through a key relevant to the key. To access it, we will iterate it. When we will iterate it, it will print out value that is stored against every key. This is one method to pass a dictionary as an argument. In the second way, the method is that we have to add a asterisk twice before the name of any parameter. Asterisk works in exactly the same way as it worked for arbitrary keywords. When we, as soon as pass dictionary, we call a function. By using that function, the function in which we are going to pass the dictionary, we called that function and against every key kept passing its value. This will actually treat it as a dictionary. After name, fname is the first name keyword, second name and third name. If I print it, it will combine my whole name and present it. It is exactly like our multiply arguments, key value arguments, the arbitrary key value arguments. It works exactly like them. Till here we saw that if we pass dictionary to a function as an argument, so how will we treat it? The second thing we have to discuss is how to return a dictionary as argument. If we will pass a dictionary after computation, how a dictionary function will return back. I wrote a small code and we will see what work is being done in it. We will pass a list to our function Muhammad, Imran, Tahir. When we will pass this list to that function, it will arrange every value in that list against a dictionary key. A list value is at 0 index. This value is at 1 index. This value is at 2 index. It will arrange all of it in a key, and after arranging it in a key, it will return the key back to us. When we will run it, it will, as it is, show the key. It has showed us at 0 index. We have at 0 index, at 0 key, Muhammad has been stored. Imran at 1 key and Tahir at second key. It has returned back a complete dictionary. Instead of this, we receive it in another dictionary. D2 will create a dictionary. It is printed that Muhammad is at 0 key, Imran at 1 key and Tahir is at 2 key. In it, you have to take care of one thing, that if dictionary is being returned, we need to have a dictionary to receive it. If you don't return a dictionary D2, a dictionary won't be able to access it and will generate some kind of error here. Till here was about functions. We studied everything: function declaration, their arguments, how to pass everything separately in arguments, dictionary list, and how results are returned. We studied all these according to functions.